Hey, I'm Rashay.
Este tiempo es bendito y tengo par de putas que no entienden. Estos negros son blanditos. Y yo de goma tengo hasta los dientes. Power move con los clientes.
Hey, I'm Rashay. Welcome to my channel. This is my introductory video. I actually wasn't even gonna do a video like this. I was just gonna jump straight into the channel showing footage from my last vacation and stuff like that. But as I kept researching, everybody was saying like, oh, you need a video to introduce yourself because people don't know who you are, blah blah blah. But I'm a perfectionist and I just overthink everything. So I was just thinking like, okay, I need to take my hair down. I need to make sure everything look on point. I need to put on me a cute outfit. My nails need to be done, blah, blah, blah. But y'all, I didn't do none of it. I was just like, you know, if I sit and keep waiting, y'all, this light is just, I don't know, it's irritating me. But anyways, if I just kept trying to wait for the perfect moment, I never would film this video. So that's one of the biggest things I need to work on is procrastinating and just trying to wait for the perfect moment. So yeah, here we go. And don't come for me because I'm shooting this on my front facing camera. I know I'm supposed to shoot it on the back, but I just need to look at myself to make sure, you know, I'm within range and everything else. I'll get it together later. But anyways, I want my channel to primarily be focused on like traveling, just excursions that I do, probably like things I do to get myself prepared to go on vacation, like shopping, hair, nails, different hauls and things like that. But the biggest thing will be travel. I just got back from St. Martin about maybe 2.5 weeks ago, and I actually got a lot of footage, but I'm getting ready to go back again in a couple of weeks on a solo trip, and I plan on getting more footage. So at first I was gonna edit and go ahead and post the stuff from that trip as my first video, but if I'm going back, I might as well just combine everything and just make it one big video. So that video will be starting from me going to Orlando first. So this first time I went, I flew to Orlando, stayed there one night, and then from there I flew to St. Martin. So I don't know how I'm gonna edit that. In the next video, in one half of it, you see me with this, and the next you see me with another hairstyle. That's why, because it's from two separate trips to the same place. But anyway, if this is something that you would be interested in, traveling, self-care, things of that nature, just, you know, subscribe, like, comment. And when y'all watch this video, comment, please. Like it, comment. So you can give me, you know, so the algorithm can algorithm. Don't come for me, okay? Like I said, I just had to be brave and just jump out here and just go ahead and make this video. But yeah, this is what y'all are getting. Yeah, this is what you're getting. So yeah, like this video, share it, like it, comment, subscribe or else. Subscribe or you a hater. You a hater, subscribe. And I know you don't want to be a hater in 2024. It is New Year's Eve. So hopefully I have this video edited and posted by tomorrow, which is the first, which is my goal. But if it ain't, we ain't gonna say nothing. But if this is posted on the first, Happy New Year. I hope y'all wrote your goals and and stick to them. And you know, a lot of people say like, oh, you know, y'all think you're gonna wake up on the first and just be this whole new person. You can be whoever you want to be. You can. It's probably like my 10th new life, y'all. Don't be scared to start off. If you want to wake up and be a brand new person today, tomorrow, which I don't know how I'm posting this, but whatever, you can do that. It's a new year. It's time to achieve new things, have a new mindset, and that's what we gonna do this year, period. Okay. Anyways, bye.